Abdullahi, currently studying Bachelor of Science Secondary Education, major in English at Holy Cross Davao College. Hiyas Taata. Maling lomo mong lahat, hago ho, Giselle Batulan Sano, a graduate of secondary education, major in social studies. Hiyas sa Bagobo Klata. Madiga Silong Kanilangon, second si Bia Catherine Kate Oda, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Development Anthropology. Hiyas sa Bagobo Tagapawa. Mobian Aldo Cantanlangon, Kadi si Angeline S. Mailania, currently studying at Davao Vision Colleges Incorporated, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English and working as an account associate. Hiyas sa Matik Salog. Mobian Alo Kanilangon, siyak si Jella Kiara Laydan, currently a fourth-year college student at Philippine Women's College of Davao, taking Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Hiyas sa Ubo Manubo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Second si Johara Wahab Durunan, a graduated of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Hiyas sa Bangsa Iranul. Madyaw na alaw kamayo ubos. Ako kadi si Juvailin Magara, a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management graduate. Hiyas sa Bangsa Kagan. Mabuhay og Mariel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saki si Siti Hasmin Pangato Sultan, a first-year student of Holy Cross of Davao College, taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Hiyas sa Bangsa Maguindanaon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Sakim si Siti Nurhana R. Sangkaan, currently studying Bachelor of Science and Nursing at Davao Doctors College, Hiyas sa Bangsa Branao. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ako si Aniza Bangkungan, studied of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in English, at Holy Cross of Davao City. Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ako si Fatima Zara Basal, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing at University of Mindanao. Hiyas sa Bangsa Tausug. Once again, let us all give a warm round of applause for our candidates as they continue to carry the pride and spirit of their respective tribes. And of course, the celebration doesn't stop here. That's our Hiyas sa Cagayawan 2025 candidates as they showcase the rich culture and heritage of their tribes during the much anticipated cultural presentation happening on August 9, 2025 at SM City Davao Annex Event Center. Then mark your calendars and be part of the Hiyas sa Cagayawan 2025 Grand Coronation Night on August 14, 2025 at USEP Gymnasium. This is more than just a pageant. It is a celebration of beauty, identity, and tradition. So don't miss it. Join us and